Welcome dear students to online classes, Standard 5th, Subject Craft, Topic Umbrella. Material require tinted color paper of your choice, marble paper of different color, scissor, tape, pencil, ruler. Students, you have to take a tinted color paper and afterwards take a radii of 8 centimeter and afterwards you have to draw the circle. This is radii of 8 centimeter and draw the circle. After drawing circle, you have to cut it with a scissor. Now students, I have cut a circle of 8 centimeter. Now what you have to do, take a shape into a cone and paste the edges as shown in figure 2. Cut the tip of the cone as shown in figure 3. What you have to do, you have to draw one line. After drawing one line, you have to cut it. Now students, I have cut it. What you have to do, you have to make a cone. Now see, you have to fold this way, see this way. And at the end you have to put a gum. After putting gum, you have to stick it. Now see, your cone is ready. And what you have to do, you have to paste it. After pasting, you have to cut the corner side. Now see, I have cut it. And afterwards, you have to fold it into two parts. After folding this way, you have to fold at one side. Now see, and you have to draw any shape if you want. After drawing any shape, you have to cut it. Now see, I have cut the shape and afterwards you have to open it. After open it, see, your cone is half ready. And what you have to do, you have to take a stick and put it inside. After putting inside a stick, what you have to do, see, you have to stick a tape. After sticking a tape, you have to put inside at the cone. Now see, now at the lastly you have to put your gum. After putting your gum, you have to stick a paper. Now see, at the corner I have stick a paper, and afterwards if you want to decorate, you can decorate anything. Now see, I have cut the heart shape, and afterwards you have to stick. Now see, I have stick a heart shape, and see, your umbrella is ready. Thank you.